Hello everyone. I'm trying to decide where the sun is best here. I am out of my garden because tonight it is most likely going to freeze. And so I'm picking my last tomatoes, I'm picking my last peppers. I'm picking also beans so that I can give them to you and teach you how to save seed for next year's garden. I'm picking some of those tomatoes are going to go to you, those that are coming to our food security course on Saturday. I'm just really looking around and I'm amazed at what's still growing out here. There's so much food still here that's going to continue to feed us for months. And I'm going to teach you how to do that too, how to grow year-round in your yard, how to preserve the food that you have. We just picked all of our winter squashes, all of our pumpkins. I'm going to tell you what to do with those so that they last all year, till they last clear until you're going to have some ready for next year as well. So please join me. If you have any worry about, what's going to happen this fall and through the winter about food, you just need to gain confidence on how to provide for your family, no matter what happens in this world, and that's what I'm so excited to teach you. So please join me this Saturday, 1 to 4 here at the Living Well Homestead. Sign up below, and I can't wait to see you then. Bye.